Here's my grilled cheese. It's the bread and sea, rosemary, olive oil bread. Then we have from Snowdonia Cheese Company, a Black Bomber extra mature cheddar. And from Tillamook, sharp cheddar. And I'm really stoked because I have the one and only, the Pliney the Elder. My hope is that how strong the cheese is and how strong the bread is, that it will just go right with how hoppy this beer is. Oh yeah. Like butter. Refreshing always. So that extra mature cheddar, super danky, kind of skunky, but not like in a bad way. Very good. Skanky cheese. This is delicious. Lots of butter seeped through all the way, slow cooked it, toasted sides a little bit so the bread is still a little buttery. Nice gooey butter cheese. Can't ask for anything better than that. And also, that bread, having that rosemary, olive oil, there's another really strong flavor. And I could have played it a couple ways. Could have weakened the IPA to like a regular IPA, but I really wanted just strength, just punch in your face, rosemary, olive oil bread, extra mature cheddar, and a sharp cheddar with a double IPA. This beer is still super hoppy to me. It does overwhelm almost everything, so probably my recommendation would be a regular IPA or maybe a hazy IPA. But the grilled cheese is great. Bread and sea, really good bread, good cheese. Can't go wrong with the grilled cheese and beer though. Thanks for watching the first grilled cheese and beer.